Here's a nice little bare robot chassis kit. This is by Feetech. There's a box it comes in. There's the serial number. It's just 2 DC motors with wheels, and it comes with this motor controller board, that 2CH number on the bottom, which essentially turns the 2 DC motors into continuous rotation servos. This is just a standard servo tester, currently wired to drive both motors identically. So you can tell there's a nice big bandwidth right around the 1.5 millisecond pulse width. Let's see, so if I increase, so there's about the minimum speed you can get going at. And top speed's considerably faster. And of course you can also go into reverse about the same. So these are 148 motors, which aren't my favorite. I think they're too fast and not enough torque at low speeds for my preference. But if you have to have 148s, this motor controller board does a pretty good job of making the available speed and torque manageable. Nice kit.